All right, Dan and Jim are back with this week's Hungry Howie's Top 10. I'm going to start off with my list. On this week, I got a couple of double event winners bubbling up to the top. In number 5, winner at Escanaba from Rochester Hills, 245, the Atom Bots. In my number 3 position, 35-36, the Heartland Electro Eagles, double winner, won at Milford, along with my number 2 pick, Brighton Techno Dogs, 3707. And in my number 1 position this week, the Avondale Robo Jackets, 35-38, double event winner. Again, first time ever for their team. Great work, Avondale.
Yeah, man, I gotta say, Avondale passes the eye test too. They've won 2 events, but they've looked really good at both of them. I've got them at number 2, of course. 2767 Strike Force. They're gonna be my number 1 until they lose. I'm sticking with that, so don't let me down this week. We've got a couple of other teams. You got 67 up there. 67 passes the eye test, but hasn't won an event yet. So they're on my top 25, but not quite making the top 10.
I'm always picking hot. I'm betting on hot.
Yeah, and it's always a mistake not to. So we'll see what they do in their next event and how the rankings change next week.